Let's now do a new process. That is to transfer a table to another table. Remember in the beginning we were at the upstairs bar. And we had some items on this table. We can look what is on it. Select the table, open the POS, and we have the drinks. So let's do exit. Now the people who were sitting on this table, they are going to go into the restaurant. And in the restaurant, you really do not pay at the bar and then pay again for the restaurant. You pay it all together in the end of the evening, right? So what can we do? We need to transfer this table to the restaurant. And yes, of course, you are all doing this with me, right? If not, you have to practice it afterwards. So let's do it. We select the table and we go down the list and we have something called transfer. Let's select it. Now the system is talking to us here in the left corner. So we are going to transfer table 36 to, not within the upstairs bar, we're going to transfer it to the restaurant downstairs, select restaurant downstairs. What do you want to do? You want to transfer it to table number 7, select the table, and you see it's free, and we are transferring from table 36 to this one, so we select it. Here we are, and we do transfer all. You could transfer 1 drink or 2 drinks or something like that if people are splitting up, but in our case, everything's going from table 36 to the new one. So transfer all. And then because, remember, the bar was not with a seating for the cover, but we are now in the restaurant and there is a request in our setup to register the cover. So yes, we are going to be 3 people, select 3, okay. And now we get this interesting question. We are exceeding the table capacity as is set in the system. And we are sure, so we do yes. That's how easy it is. We're done. Transfer completed. If you go to upstairs bar, you'll see nothing on the table. If you go back to restaurant downstairs, you open this table and you open the POS, you will see the drinks are here. Now we can continue, take the order for the food and everything, just like we've been doing in the previous examples.